Hello MacOS users. So we're going to be installing the Apple Clang compiler, as it's called. Unreal Engine, we'll be using this later on when we install it. Again, it's the most natural choice on macOS. We're going with the most natural choice on each operating system. And it's very simple to install and set up on macOS. So let's just have a go, see what we need to do. What I want you to do is find your terminal. It's either going to be along the bottom in your dock, or you can use the magnifying glass and type the word terminal. A couple of different ways of doing it. What I want you to do once you're in the terminal is simply type G++. Okay, G++ is a shortcut to our compiler, and you'll either get something or you'll get this. If you get an error saying no developer tools were found, I just want you to click install. It's going to do a pretty small install. Check the terms if you wish and agree. And it's going to install just the minimum needed to get this compiler working on your machine. So it's super easy to do. So while that's installing, let's go through some Mac terminal survival tips, which I'll recap in a slide at the end of the video. So firstly, to say that it is case sensitive here on Mac. So the uppercase or lowercase matters. Upper is not the same as upper like that. Secondly, if you want to print your working directory, it is pwd like this for print working directory. Then it says it's users ben is where I'm starting off here. If you want to change directory, you can do cd, but you'll need to know what to change to, so often you do ls for list first. That gives you a list of things. So now, for instance, if I want to change to the desktop, it's cd space desktop. And I'm now, if I look at my print working directory, I'm in the desktop, as we can see here. Now, if you want to go back a directory, it's cd space ... like so. And the final thing I want to tell you is if we have done a list and we want to get to something but we don't want to type the entire name out, for example, downloads, I can go cd dow tab. Now, do wouldn't work as an autocomplete because it's ambiguous as to whether we're going to documents or downloads. But if I go dow, it works if I hit tab after the W. And then I'm in downloads. The other thing to say, as I said before, is it is case sensitive. So if we list here and I try cd down tab and it doesn't work, it's because it is case sensitive. All right, I think I've drilled home the point about it being case sensitive. Let's see how we're doing with our install. It's done. Awesome. So I am going to type G++, see what we get. Aha. This is more like it. We want Clang saying no input files. That's exactly what we want at this stage. It indicates that the Clang compiler is actually installed and ready to go, and we'll see how to use it in a few videos' time. But for the moment, the idea is to get us all onto the same page, which we have done. So congratulations, and I will see you shortly.